The act of temporarily denying an officer the privilege of performing his police duties in consequence of an offense and violation of rules and regulations. A. Dismissal. B. Restriction. C. Suspension. D. Reprimand. Answer C. Suspension. The credential extended by the Civil Service Commission and NAPOLCOM for the purpose of conferring status for permanent appointment in the police service. A. Police credibility. B. Police eligibility. C. Criminology licensure examination. D. Police patrol examination. Answer B. Police eligibility. In the history of our police force, who was the first Director General of the Philippine National Police? A. Cesar Nazareno. B. Raul Imperial. C. Humberto Rodriguez. D. Ricardo Sarmiento. Answer A. Cesar Nazareno. The premier educational institution for the training, human resource development, and continuing education of all the personnel of BGMP, BFP, and PNP. A. PNPA. B. PCCR. C. PNTC. D. PPSC. Answer D. PPSC. Under the law, the city jail warden should have a rank of A. Inspector. B. Chief Inspector. C. Senior Inspector. D. Superintendent. Answer B. Chief Inspector. The required rank for the Chief of BGMP. A. Deputy Director General. B. Director General. C. Director. D. Chief Superintendent. Answer C. Director. It exercises supervision and control over the provincial jails. A. BGMP. B. Bureau of Prison. C. Department of Justice. D. Provincial Government. Answer D. Provincial Government. The required rank for the district jail warden. A. Major. D. Chief Superintendent. C. Director. D. Superintendent. Answer D. Superintendent. The annual reservation percentage quota for women in the PNP. A. 25%. B. 5%. C. 10%. D. 20%. Answer C. 10%. Any uniformed personnel of the BFP and the BGMP who has not been promoted for a continuous period of how many years before separated or retired from service? A. 5 years. B. 10 years. C. 15 years. D. 3 years. Answer B. 10 years.